Hello students, in the previous session we have seen that what is distance, what is displacement, and we have already solved a lot of numerical based on the distance and displacement. Okay, and we have already seen that what is the uniform motion and what is the non-uniform motion. What is the uniform motion? When an object cover equal distance in equal interval of time, then we say that the object is having the uniform motion. And when an object covers unequal distance in equal interval of time, or we can say that equal distances in unequal interval of time, then the motion of the object is what? Non-uniform motion. Here we will see the another term related to these things. The term is speed. That what is the speed? So let us try to understand that how we can know the about the speed. Suppose we are having a straight path. ये एक straight road है. Distance between the A and B is suppose 420 meter. Okay, and there are three cars, that is we are taking car A, car B and car C. All are moving on this path from A to B. So we need to know, suppose A car is moving from A to B and covering this distance in 40 seconds. Okay, and B car is moving and covering this distance in 30 seconds. Our distance is what? 420 meter. And C car is moving and that is covering the distances 20 seconds. Okay, so if I ask you which one is moving faster, then you will say that the car C, which is covering this distance in 20 seconds, it is moving very faster. It is very fast. If I talk about this car, that it is having 30 seconds, it is only consuming 30 seconds to cover this 420 meter distance, then you will say it is moving fast. It is moving slow as compared to car C. And similarly, if I ask you that what about the car A, so again you can see it is taking more time. Now if as we know that car C is moving faster and car B is slower as compared to C car, and car A is what? It is very slow as compared to A and B. Okay, how we are identifying that these are slow, fast? Actually we are comparing these quantities with respect to time. Okay, because we are seeing that the 420 meter distance is covered by car A in 40 seconds and B in 30 seconds and C in 20 seconds. मतलब कार A को इस डिस्टेंस को कवर करने में ज़्यादा टाइम लग रहा है. तो सिंपली स्पीड भी हमें यही चीज़ बताती है दैट हाउ फास्ट ऑब्जेक्ट इज मूविंग. ओके, सो स्पीड हमें क्या बताएगी? दैट हाउ फास्ट स्पीड अ पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट इज मूविंग. सो वी कैन ऑल्सो डिफाइन दिस in a different way, that the distance traveled by a object in a given time, or we can say the ratio of the distance traveled by an object per unit time, is known as what? Speed. Or speed की unit we already know, we have seen that in different vehicles it is given that kilometer per hour, but in SI system the unit of speed is different. Okay, in SI system we generally use the unit of speed as meter per second. Suppose see about the car B that was covering 420 meter in 30 seconds. Okay, 0 will cancel 0, or we can say 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 12 meter per second. Okay, so in this case you can see this car is covering 12 meter distance in 1 second. Okay, every time we can see, and we can, if we need to see the third car, what about the third car? Third car is having 420 meter in 20 seconds. So how fast it is? It is like 21 meter in per second. Okay, मतलब एक 21 मीटर कवर कर रही है एक सेकंड में. Now we know the formula of speed. Speed equal to what? Distance traveled upon time taken. Okay, and we know that distance is what? Distance is a scalar quantity and time is also a scalar quantity, because both the quantities are not having any kind of direction. So speed will also be a what? It will also be a scalar quantity. It is what? It is a scalar quantity. The SI unit we know that the distance की unit होती है meter and time की unit होती है second. Then we can say speed will have what? Speed will equal to what? Meter per Second, it is the SI unit of speed. If we need to find out the speed, the CGS unit of speed, we can define that it will be what, सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड. और अगर हमें लार्जर यूनिट में बात करनी है, लाइक हमारा जो व्हीकल है जिस डिस्टेंस को कवर करता है वो किलोमीटर होती है, तो इन दैट केस द स्पीड ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट विल बी इन किलोमीटर पर आवर. ओके, so let us see some other things. Now, if an object is covering a particular distance non-uniformly. Now what is the meaning of non-uniform? Just see it. Suppose we are having a car is moving from A to B and it is having different points between that 1, 2, 3, 4, and every time it needs to cover 2 kilometer, 2 kilometer and 2 kilometer. Every time it is covering 2 kilometer between 2 points, but it is taking different time. Suppose in the first 2 kilometer it is covering it in 1 hour, second it is covering in suppose 1.5 hour, and it is again covering it in 500, again it is covering it suppose 50, suppose it is taking it 50 minute. Okay, and next 2 kilometer it is covering in 1 hour, and next it is taking 3 hour. मतलब क्या है, every time it is covering equal distances in unequal interval of time. Okay, so it is what, it is a non uniform speed, because ये हर बार equal distance cover नहीं कर रही है in equal interval of time में. That's why it is known as what, it is a non uniform motion of the object, and the speed of such object is known as what, non uniform speed. तो जब भी कार नॉन यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड से मूव करेगी तो हम उसकी फिक्स स्पीड को नहीं बता सकते. Suppose if I ask you what was the speed of your car, what was the speed of your bike, you will not be able to tell me the accurate speed कि जिससे तुम constantly आए हो. तो in that case we define the speed by another term, and that term is known as the average speed. Okay, we know the simple average concept कि average हम कैसे निकालते हैं, sum of all the quantities upon the number of quantities. Similarly here if we are talking about the speed, तो स्पीड कैसे निकलेगी, सम ऑफ एवरेज स्पीड कैसे निकलेगी, सम ऑफ ऑल द डिस्टेंसेस, ओके, अपॉन सम ऑफ ऑल द गिवन टाइम्स. और इसी को हम बोल देते हैं दैट द एवरेज स्पीड इज व्हाट, टोटल डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड बाय द बॉडी अपॉन टोटल टाइम टेकन. ओके, और एवरेज स्पीड कब निकलती है, हमेशा नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन में निकलती है. If we will always calculate the average speed in the case of non-uniform motion when an object covering equal distance in unequal interval of time, or we can say unequal distances in equal interval of time. मतलब क्या है, if we are moving in a crowded place, अगर हम मार्केट जा रहे हैं तो हर बार क्या होगा, स्टार्टिंग में हम ज़्यादा कार को मूव करेंगे, लेकिन जैसे ही आगे बहुत सारे लोग आएंगे अगेन वी विल अप्लाई ब्रेक, अगेन वी विल डिक्रीज द स्पीड. सो एवरी टाइम वी आर चेंजिंग अवर स्पीड, कभी ज़्यादा होगी कभी कम होगी. तो दैट मोशन इज नोन एज व्हाट, नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. और उसी केस में उसी स्पीड को क्या बोलते हैं, नॉन यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड. और स्पीड कैसे निकालेंगे, दैट वी विल कैलकुलेट बाय द एवरेज स्पीड फॉर्मूला, द टोटल डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड बाय द बॉडी अपॉन टोटल टाइम टेकन. और इसको कैसे दिखाते हैं, v इक्वल टू एस अपॉन टी से. ओके, और v के ऊपर बार लगा होता है बिकॉज एवरेज दिखा रहे हैं. अगर बार नहीं लगा होता देन वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग द नॉर्मल स्पीड. नाउ it is the formula of average speed. Similarly, what about the constant speed? Suppose a road is not having any kind of traffic, then you will move with a constant speed. You will say that I was coming by 25 km per hour. What is the meaning of this? That every hour, हर घंटे आप कितनी distance cover कर रहे थे, 25 km. So every time you are covering equal distances in equal interval of time. So such speed is known as what? Uniform speed. और इसी को हम बोलते हैं constant speed. Okay? ऐसा कब होता है, जब रोड बिल्कुल फ्री हो, वहाँ पे कोई क्राउड ना हो. इन दैट केस यू विल बी एबल टू मूव यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड. बट मोस्टली जितने भी ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं वो नॉन यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड से ही मूव करते हैं ड्यू टू डिफरेंट रीजन्स. लाइक क्राउडेड रोड हो सकती है, ओके, कोई फ्रीली फॉलिंग बॉडी है, ऊपर से नीचे कोई ऑब्जेक्ट गिर रहा है, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो अ नॉन यूनिफॉर्म बिकॉज ग्रेविटी जैसे जैसे ये ऑब्जेक्ट अर्थ के पास आएगा वैसे वैसे इस पर ज़्यादा पुल करेगा अर्थ इसको, और इसका मोशन बढ़ता जाएगा. दैट इज़ ऑल्सो अ नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. तो हमने क्या देखा इसमें, वी हैव सीन स्पीड. स्पीड इज़ व्हाट, स्पीड इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. ओके, और ये कैसी क्वांटिटी है, इट इज़ अ स्केलर क्वांटिटी. What is the SI unit of speed? It is what, meter per second. How many types of speed is there? Number one, average speed. Okay, number 2, uniform speed, an object covering equal distance in equal interval of time. And number 3, non-uniform speed. Okay, this is all about the speed, you can see.